That's my mom and that's my dad, and they're gonna be telling me which Harry Potter character each of my burps sound like today. Yes, and yes, for everyone who asks, this is my mom and she's where I get my burps.
That's like Hagrid right off the bat. I don't like the way that came from. Oh, that was pathetic. That was
Hermione.
Yeah, that was Hermione trying. I think that was Ron.
Ron, that's what I was gonna
Yeah,
say.
that one went on pretty long. Luna, either that or do one like Luna, like a cute bubbly one, or a really bad one like that.
That one's cute. That one's either Hermione or Luna.
Hermione or Luna. But that would be Book Jenny.
That was Book Jenny.
That was like
that one was
open
just
the
like
door.
bleh.
That could blow out the candle.
Fred.
Oh yeah, Fred or George. I think they'd have identical birds.
Yeah.
Dobby is a free elf.
Dobby is a free elf.
W is a free elf.
Yes.
They smell bad.
That's a storm.
That was boring. That's like Jenny in the movies.
Yeah, that's movie.
That was just boring.
Movie
Ah!
Oh, that was. Oh, am I saying
Yeah.
that one?
What do you think?
That one was unexpected, and that would be
That's
like,
Neville.
Yeah, that's Neville. Kind of
It's
dull, kind of boring.
baby burp.
just kind of there.
Miss Weasley.
Weasley, yeah. I feel like Miss Weasley didn't have it.
Must have order.
This slowly just turned into me quoting Harry Potter.
It's because all burps are kind of the same.
Yeah.